Good day to everyone, and in this video we will see the how do we convert two winding transformer to the of the same kVA capacity and same material transformer. We are making a auto transformer. Okay, so this is the topic: two winding transformer to auto transformer. So the only formula that we need to remember is S auto upon S two winding. Okay, so in this way we find out the kVA of the auto. Okay, upon is equal to A auto upon A auto minus 1. Okay, and one more thing you should remember is that the validity of this formula valid for additive polarity. Okay, so and second part is second thing that you should remember is your A auto will be always LHV, or you can say that N in the high voltage side, that number of turns in the high voltage side divided by turns in the lower side, is equal to V HV upon V LV is equal to I LV upon I HV. Okay, turns ratio. So this is your A auto. Okay. Now see, now what is the feel of this formula is, see, this is your S2 winding. Okay, let me take a two winding transformer. Okay, with this dot polarity, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, so yeah, and this is, let me say, your V1 and this is your V2. Okay, so now I have to connect this in such a way to make a two winding transformer. See how can I connect it. So my case 1 will be, I short your A and D. Okay, A and D short means this is my A side, D, A and D short. Okay, so this will be your B, D will be above this, and this will be your dot, and this will be your C with AB as common winding. Okay, so I am taking LV side here, and I am taking my HV side here. Okay, so this is one case. So here it is a additive polarity. Okay, just remember these polarities. Okay, so if you're not able to understand how these are additive polarity, then I will make some other video, and that I will tell you the meaning of the polarity, or you can search in the network theory diary on our YouTube channel, and there you can find a video on the polarities. Okay, so this was your case 2 where your AD is shorted and your common is AB. Okay, now again you can make an additive polarity, that will be your case 2. There what you can do is this time you can short C and B. Okay, like C, okay, this is your C, this is your B, and this is your A. Okay, so this is your again this is a additive polarity, and you are taking your CD as common. Okay, so this will be your HV and this will be your LV side. Okay, so this is also one way. This is your case 2. Again your case 3. Okay, let me make these things. Okay, let me make this also a little bit smaller. So this was the case 1 and 2 that we have studied. Okay, now we'll see our case 3. See, case 3 will be we have short yours A and C are shorted. Okay, so your A and C shorted means A, B, C shorted. Okay, okay, this is a winding. This will be your D. Okay, so this is now your subtractive polarity. Okay, A is B and CD, and I have taken AB as common. So this side your will be V1 and this side will be V1 minus V2. Okay, again this is one case. Now your case 4 can be okay. So this was your case 3. Now your case 4 can be, again you connect your C and A. Okay, you connect your A, C, and this time what you do is you take the common as your CD. Okay, so your CD will be what? Your V2, and this side it will be your subtractive polarity V1 minus V2. Okay, so this is also a case of subtractive polarity. So these are the 4 cases, and you have to remember that you can apply that formula S auto by S2 winding is equal to A auto upon A auto minus 1 for the additive polarity cases. Okay, so this is your additive polarity, this is your additive polarity case, and this is your subtractive polarity. Okay, and this is your subtractive polarity case. Okay, so this is the overall discussion of the auto transformer and two winding transformers. So if you're not able to get the meaning of how they are, how I am doing, how I am judging the additive and the subtractive and why these are adding, then I will explain some other video in detail. Okay, so for this video this much is enough. Or if you just recall or remember these diagrams, the patterns of the dots, then you can solve many questions. Okay, so thank you. Please like, share, subscribe Electrical Diaries and visit our website for more. Thank you.